What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today, oh boy, I'm gonna try to show you something I'm hoping most of you have not seen. I'm sure there are other products out there like this, but I had come across two cool products. They're right here. And this is all because, I'm constantly on Instagram looking at detailing pages and detailing websites. I'm very much into the detailing hobby and passion. It's very important to me. I love keeping up with things and seeing what's going on and seeing what's really good out there. You know what I'm saying? So just messing around in some story posts, I saw something and I was like, wow, what did I see? Well, we're going to take a look at it right now. So if you are into detailing, or you are about the detailing hobby, the passion, and you have any kind of urge to do your own work, that usually at some point involves learning how to do ceramic coating or wheel coatings or leather coatings or whatever kind of little bottle. And I could tell you one thing, and you'll probably agree with me, these little bottles are freaking expensive. They're very expensive, and at most of the time they're glass. These are for sure damn glass, and these are not super cheap. You break one, you crack one, shame on you. You do it again, and especially if you're doing this as a business, that could be a problem. It could really be a problem. So I came across this. Very simple. 3D printed. It's beautiful, and they have different colors. There's a guy, Detail Joe, Detailing Supplies. I'm going to link his information down below. Now, here's the thing. This is from the UK. So you are paying more for shipping, but this, in my opinion, is worth it. It's worth it because this is not a reoccurring purchase. Now, I'm probably going to reach out to him because I'm going to show you something, and we'll talk about that. But let me just show you why this is incredible. Say you're doing your crystal serum. Does it go here? No, it goes here. It fits perfect in there, right? Now you're doing ceramic wheel coating. Oh my God, fits perfect. You could be doing your leather shield. Goes right in that bad boy. It's beautiful. You could be doing your Q2 rim. I don't know what this one's for, but now here's where the only thing I have, my only gripe, is these are little inserts, little like spacer things. They fit perfect. So obviously, well, this has this stupid thing on the side, but this should fit. This should fit without that spacer thing. Without this like stupid warning label, this would fit in here. So it's not like you're gonna have your rim and this and that. I mean, I guess it is what it is. So it's not that much of a gripe. But say you want to have your crystal serum light, and a lot of people do top it with EXO V4. I would like to have another one of these with that thickness. This isn't a big deal. It still serves the purpose of it being a holder. It's in there, and I'm going to show you what I really, really like is it's got rubberized feet on it. So if it's here, it ain't moving. Now this is it's not moving. This is coated, this surface. It's not moving. It's like you could put it down and not worry about there being some sort of issue. I think it's super fantastic, super fantastic. I'm totally obsessed with it. So I think this was a fantastic buy. There's really no demonstrating aside from this, so the video is going to be pretty short. But then this showed up because I saw this on the website and I was like, wow, this looks like a really cool idea. It does. It looks like a really cool idea. Now this is not part of it. This is just something so I could keep it and make it look all pretty and show you Detail Joe stuff. So what is this thing? Okay, now when you're polishing, a lot of times you're going to be messing around with the door. Now what this thing does is it gives you the chance to have an adjustable setup here. Okay, so you could put your thing right here. If you have a door that doesn't want to like stay where you put it, now you can basically lock it in like this. So say you want to come here and you want to get overlap on the panels, but what if you So say you you want to start polishing and you're coming here and you want to go over a little bit, not too crazy, but you don't want to go on to the next panel because you might have already did that, or maybe you're not ready to do it that way, and you want to do it with the doors open, the hood open, the trunk open, any kind of thing open. Now I can push on this and it ain't moving, and now I've got a little bit of a prop, and I can adjust it. I can open it and I can go like this, so I can have it far open. I probably won't ever go any further than this. I think this would be, you know, completely sufficient. And then you're like, okay, you want to stop and be done. Basically all you're going to do is open up the door handle here. You're taking that out, and then you're just, you know, taking it out. Now what I like about this design, and it's got this little notch here, very clever, because this goes inside, but then when it pushes, that notch rests on the other side. It's so very clever. So very clever. Yeah, I think this is a sweet little tool to utilize. And the cool part about it is it's a small thing to store. You don't have to worry about this taking up space. You pull it out when you're doing some polishing. You can do it on the hood. I believe it should work on the hood. Anything that has a latch. In the past, I've had these like little paracord with adjustable things here, and I've used that string to keep things from opening up all the way. It's okay, it's not ideal, but I think this is pretty cool. But either way, I'm going to link both of these down below. The only caveat, I would say, the only problem to this situation and to these two products is you're going to have to contact him directly. The website's not set up to show shipping rates to come here, but it really isn't that bad. I think it was like 20 or 30 bucks shipping. One-time deal for this. It's really not even an expensive product. It's really not. I think out the door, because of shipping, everything came out to like, I don't know, 80 or 90 bucks, something like that. But just this alone, just to have this quality piece alone, was totally worth it, in my opinion. And you know, I know it would make sense to have two, but the cool thing is you can always, like I said, you could take this out. You got this and you got this, and you really shouldn't have a problem. I will probably message him and see if I can get another one of this and this, or see if he's got the 3D printed file. I doubt he's going to give me that, but maybe I could 3D print my own little spacer so that I could save on shipping. We'll see. Either way, I'm not really upset about it because this works just as well. So if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are an OCD OG, thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the support. I appreciate it. And yeah, this is really all we have. This is what we got. I think this is super cool. I'm just trying to get a nice angle on it because I'm really digging this. I'm really digging this, and I think you should dig it too. I think this is a really sweet product. But let me know in the comment section what you think about it. If you have any other products that you've seen before like this, let me know. I'm always open to check out new stuff. You know, some of you or many of you are big into detailing, so you know, I figured I would bring this to you. But I gotta show you one last thing. Actually, I just forgot. I literally just remembered, like, as I'm messing around with this. So you can take these spacers out, right? So now we've got these spacers all out. Now you've got this case, but like, what if something drips in here and you really want to clean it? How genius. Watch. Look at that. Look at that. It's got magnets in there, and you could just clean off the bottom. And then the magnets, holy Jesus, Christmas trees. That just, if I had something in there, a digit, a pecker, anything, that would have just snapped it right off. It's like a medieval weapon, like a punishment chamber. You gotta really, oh my God, that'll wreak some havoc. But yeah, this is awesome. I think this is like one of my favorite things that I have currently as like a little accessory / tool. You can, oh, look at that. Oh, that's just, what a happy family. It all fits perfect. Just wish this would fit, this girthy little son of a you-know-what, but it won't. But this is solution finish. You could be doing trim restoration, wheel coating, and your first coating of Crystal Serum Light, and then when you're done with this, I mean, you're not going to go back to that. You could put your XOV4 right inside here and start working your way around the car, and this is super sturdy. I have the utmost confidence. So yeah, that's what we have for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate it, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Be safe, everybody.